Hi everybody, welcome back to another Food Review on One channel. My name is Nick Manzione. Thank you very much for joining me today, folks. Well, this is part 3 of our protein review. In my first video, I did the Lucky Charm shake. In my second video, I did the Bacon King, which was, I have the receipt right here. The Bacon King was $6, and it wasn't worth $6 at all. So I don't. I hope what I'm reviewing now is better. So this right here is the barbecue bacon crispy chicken, which is a new item on the menu. And I hope this is so much better than the, well, it's definitely smaller, and it's covered in barbecue sauce. Here it is. Here's the product itself, and it doesn't look too appetizing, does it? Well, we'll find out. We'll find out. Let's take a bite and see what's on this. Let's go. Is there bacon on this? I don't think there's bacon on it. No, I just want to point out, I want to try this. Oop. Does this look like an Imperial sandwich? I don't think it does. But let's take a couple more bites and let's see. Now, why am I showing you the chicken? Oh, one more piece. There we go. well, I think Burger King proved why, in all three instances today, why I probably will never go back there again. Oh, the first of all, the chicken, it was heavily fried, so you could still taste the oil from the chicken, and it wasn't barbecue at all. There was little bacon on it. And it just had a funny taste to me. It tasted funny. It just proved. I'm gonna show you the receipt. What are those numbers are on? Over there. I don't know if you could see that actually. I'll read it off. The Bacon King was $6.49, which is not worth $6.49. The barbecue bacon crispy chicken was $5.29, which and the best thing on this bill today on this receipt was the Lucky Charm cake at $3.29. And in total, this cost me $16. Was it worth $16? Absolutely not. The barbecue bacon crispy chicken was heavily breaded. It was heavily oiled. The bacon was drowned in barbecue sauce. You couldn't get the appreciation of the actual starter show, which was chicken, because it was it was very battered heavily, and you could tell by this. And I probably won't go back to Brooklyn with that ever again. So let's rate the barbecue bacon crispy chicken on the scale of 1 to 10. I'm gonna be giving it a 4 out of 10, folks. I don't think it was that great. I don't think it was worth $5. I think you can go somewhere else and get a better chicken sandwich. Let alone Wendy's probably, or either Chick-fil-A, because I don't think this was worth it. And this was new on the menu. I don't think, I don't really think this was worth it. Oh, I don't know. So tell me what you think. Share your comments. Let me know what you think. If you think I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. If you think I'm right, agree with me. But that's what I think. I don't think it was that good. I think it's a 4 out of 10. Uh, I wouldn't recommend it to anybody. There are better. There are certainly better chicken sandwiches on the market today. But that's your opinion. I'm not going to show you either way. But that's just how I feel. Well, folks, that would do it from all three of my Burger King reviews. I want to thank you for joining me. Please like, please share, please subscribe to all my videos. And until next time, folks, from the Food Dad, this is Nick Manager signing off. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow, folks. Take care.